Investors, it's Mike from MJF Invest. Today we're going to talk about GrowGeneration, ticker symbol GRWG. GrowGeneration is in the marijuana sector, the cannabis sector. That sector was hot a little while ago. It's good to get hot again. I'm expecting a second run at some point, especially upon federal legalization or as more states begin to legalize marijuana for recreational use. But before I get into the video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for future content, and let's talk stocks in the comment section. A few things really drew me to this company. Is the largest chain of hydroponic garden centers in the United States. It has 28 locations in 10 states. Multiple sales channels, full service product and solution offerings. A majority of the stores also function as warehouse, distribution, and fulfillment centers. Growth, same store sales, and investing in expanding our supply chain through store openings and acquisitions. And that was something that was really cool. Just recently they had acquired Hydroponics Depot, and it basically made them the leader in the whole Arizona market just by purchasing that company. So I like to see that right off the bat. They're purchasing big companies, and they're using that as a method to grow quickly. So that's really interesting. As I touched on a little earlier, there are currently 28 stores through 10 states, and we're looking at a map of the United States right now. The light green is for legal medical use. There's 33 states at the moment that allow legal medical use. There's 11 states that allow full, it's fully legalized. That's the dark green states. And then there's 3 states still that prohibit any marijuana use at any level. So you see there's a lot of room for growth there. All that light green, that whole light green area at some point could be or will be legalized. And the orange dots are where the stores, where GrowGeneration is located. You see there's not that many, but they want more. But you see they are where it is legal. For the fiscal year 2021, there's 6 states targeted for new markets, and they're estimating approximately 22 new stores coming in Missouri, Illinois, Arizona, Florida, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey. They have an adjusted EBITDA for 2021 revenue of $245 to $260 million. So that's very, very, very quick growth. If you're a value investor, this may not be the best investment for you because 2 of the last 3 quarters, they have been in the red. This is more of a growth stock. So if you're a growth investor, this is definitely for you. And if you're a marijuana investor, this is definitely for you. Of all the marijuana stocks, because I purposely sought out to look for a cannabis company to do a video about, and in my opinion, this is the best one at the moment. But I am more of a growth investor. Keep that in mind. But again, I'm not a financial advisor, so ultimately you need to decide whether this is the right investment for you, or if you want to buy or sell this stock. GrowGeneration also feels like they have a big opportunity in the private label products. Now, if you don't know what private labels are, basically they're store brands. It's a source of revenue for a company, but they'll sell it as a private label, like Walmart brand, or the Kmart brand, or the Costco brand. Whatever store you're at, they have a store brand, and other companies use their private label products to produce revenue. So the fact that they see an opportunity in their private label, GrowGeneration has acquired a portfolio of brands to launch its private label program to enhance its margin profile. The company's private label program focus is under the Sunleaves brand and begin to be stocked on shelves at the end of 2019 and the beginning of 2020. So now they're they're for sale. So if you see this logo, the Sunleaves garden products, that is GrowGeneration's private label. The company is able to source quality products and label them under a brand the store can control and gain traction with repeat customers. GrowGeneration is able to offer high quality products at a lower price point for price conscious customers. Sometimes the products are of the same or higher quality than the branded counterparts. So again, it's like, again, a cheaper type of brand. I just wanted to touch on that. And what I really wanted to touch on was this: the experienced leadership team. If you've been following my channel at all, you know how much emphasis I put on the executives and leaders. I'm a firm believer in betting. I bet the jockeys, not the horse. Or at least I certainly put a lot of weight on that part of the criteria. Darren Lambert is the CEO. There's a lot of experience here. Michael Salaman from Skinny Nutritional. This was really interesting, I thought, too. Tony Sullivan, you know, you see here he was an executive at Foot Locker, Foreman Mills, and Dollar Express, so he's had some success. But the real good thing that I saw and found was right here: strategic advisors and backing. Bob Nardelli from the Home Depot. Bob Nardelli does have lots of experience in growing a chain on a national level. So you know the experience is there. These guys know where they're going, what they got to do, and you know that makes me feel good. But again, I'm not invested in this company. It's high up on my watch list. I'm looking for some kind of pullback because I do feel like 17. I don't want that cost basis. I would feel better in like the $14, $15 range. If I can get a pullback, I'd be looking for entry in that area at $14.50, maybe $15. So that's just my thoughts, my take on it. But again, thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for future content, and let's talk stocks in the comment section. Thanks for watching.